What if I told you that in some parts of the United States, collecting rainwater that falls on your own property is actually illegal? No, this is not a joke. And it's not ancient history either. Right now, in 2026, there are still states where collecting rainwater without a permit can get you fined. But here's the other side of that story. Most states not only allow it, they actually encourage it. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly where rainwater collection is legal, where it isn't, and what alternatives exist for families who want water independence regardless of where they live. Stay until the end, because I'm going to show you a water-independent solution that is completely legal in all 50 states and costs less than $110 to build at home. Why does this question even exist? Most people are shocked to find out that rainwater collection is regulated at all. After all, it's rain. It falls from the sky. It lands on your property. How can anyone tell you what to do with it? The answer comes down to water rights law. In many Western states, water rights were established over a century ago, when the region was being settled. Under these laws, water, including rainwater, is considered a public resource. It belongs to the state or to whoever holds the water rights downstream. The idea is that if you collect rainwater on your property, you are intercepting water that would otherwise flow downstream to rivers, streams, and aquifers that other people depend on. This is why some states historically restricted or outright banned rainwater collection. But the law has been changing rapidly, especially as drought conditions worsen. The good news is that the majority of U.S. states allow rainwater harvesting, and many actively encourage it with tax incentives and rebate programs. States with the most permissive rainwater laws include Texas, no limits on collection for residential use. The state even offers tax exemptions on rainwater harvesting equipment. Florida, legal and encouraged, especially in drought-prone regions. North Carolina, legal with some guidelines on storage and use. Colorado recently changed its laws to allow up to 110 gallons per household. Oregon, legal for residential use with registration for larger systems. Washington, legal and actively promoted by the state government. If you live in the Southeast, South, or Pacific Northwest, you are almost certainly in a state where rainwater collection is fully legal. States with restrictions. Some states still have restrictions you need to know about. Colorado only recently legalized small-scale collection after decades of prohibition. Utah allows collection but limits it to 1,500 gallons per household. Nevada has restrictions tied to existing water rights agreements. The key takeaway is this. Even in states with restrictions, small-scale residential collection is generally allowed. The restrictions typically apply to large commercial operations, not families collecting water for home use. Before installing any rainwater system, check your specific state and county regulations, because local rules can sometimes be stricter than state law. The problem with rainwater collection, regardless of legality. Here's the thing nobody talks about. Even where rainwater collection is completely legal, it has a fundamental problem that most people overlook. It only works when it rains. And right now, in 2026, the worst drought in recorded U.S. history, means there is no rain in huge portions of the country. Over 62% of the contiguous United States is currently experiencing drought conditions. That means the families who built their entire water independence plan around rainwater collection are the families with empty tanks right now. Rainwater collection is a great supplemental system, but it cannot be your only plan. because it fails at exactly the moment you need it most. The solution that works in all 50 states. This is where atmospheric water generation changes everything. An atmospheric water generator doesn't collect rainwater. It extracts moisture directly from the air around you. No rain required. No water rights issues. No permits needed. No state regulations to navigate. You are not collecting a public resource. You are simply extracting humidity from the air in your own home. This is completely legal in all 50 states, in every county, under every local ordinance, and it works regardless of drought conditions. Because even dry air contains water vapor. Even during the worst drought in U.S. history, the air around you still contains enough moisture to produce clean drinking water every single day. The home solution. The smart water box uses atmospheric water generation technology to produce clean drinking water from the air in your home. No permits, no regulations, no water rights issues. Just air going in and clean water coming out. It can be built at home for under $110. With step-by-step instructions that walk any regular person through the complete build. The link is in the description below. If this video helped you understand your options for water independence, subscribe to Water Freedom. We publish new videos every week about off-grid water solutions, water laws, and real emergency preparedness. Because water independence shouldn't depend on where you happen to live.